my channel. I am Gabby and I got my hair done today. Looks nice, eh? And this is what it looks like at the back. Hopefully you can see it's nice. A nice fringe at the side. Okay, so let's just get into this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below if you have made hando, like hando close to like do, hando. So this is all about hando today, and I am going to pick up the spoon that I just dropped. Got it. Okay, so let's just get into the video. For this you are wanting to need a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of water, full ones. Okay, now that you have 2 tablespoons of water, you are going to add food coloring paint or any color you like. Even if you want to make it clear. I'm not sure what happens if you don't add a color, but I'm just going to add a color. I'm going to add a drop, so it's very light green. Next, you are going to want to mix it. This is what mine looks like so far. Okay, now you are going to want to have some lotion, body lotion, and you are going to want to add a spoon of body lotion. Rub it into your hands if you got some. Yay. Guys, don't think I'm sus or anything. Okay, now if you rubbed it into your hands, great. You can mix your stuff together. Okay, now mix it for a nice, great minute until all the little things are nice and crushed. I'm gonna just mix it for some time. Okay, now if it looks like this, it's totally fine. It's fine. So now you are going to want to add some salt, 2 tablespoons of salt. Okay, now you are going to want to mix it, obviously. Mix it for a nice minute or 2. Okay, now that you've mixed it for a nice minute, you are going to want to add 5 tablespoons of flour. Cake flour, any kind of flour, white flour, as long as it's flour. Now you're going to want to mix it nice and slowly, so that it's all nice and mixed up together. Just to add a bit of texture to your hand dough. Okay guys, it should look a bit gooey at first, but it will eventually start to come together. This is what it looks like. Okay. This is my 3rd tablespoon. Just mix it nice and slowly so it doesn't get like too gooey. This is my 4th tablespoon. If it starts to get nice and textury, you can just add some flour. You can just push it down, or you can mix it with your spoon. I think you should push it down, but you could also mix it with the spoon, because if you don't want to get your hands all nice and dirty, you can do an equal. I don't mind. It's your hand dough. Okay, this is my 5th tablespoon. Okay, now that you can actually just mix it now with your hands. The 5th one is actually good to mix with your hands, because it's don't have too much for children. Take your spoon out of the bowl if you want to. Now, mix it with your hands for a good minute. Oh, did I forget to tell you? Well, if I did, I'm just going to tell you again. Like, subscribe, comment down below if this really helped you. Give this a big like, comment down below, and subscribe. Smash that notification bell, and you'll be noticed, and you will not miss one video. You can even put it on the table if you have a table, or put it on the floor, put it wherever you've made the stuff. Just move your stuff aside, and if you have a long sleeve like me, it's probably a good suggestion to just take it off. Chuck it somewhere. Or you could pull up the sleeves, I don't mind. Do anything you like. Okay guys, this is what my thing looks like. Ooh, that's a nice light green, hey? Well, yeah. Okay, now once you've done that, put it in an airtight container. Actually, you must just add some baby lotion. Put it back in the bowl for this, it could get a little messy. Okay. Or you could just leave it out if your parents don't mind. Okay. You could add half a spoon because you don't want to get the stuff to icky and gross. Guys, I'm mixing it like that. I'm just gonna add the if you have some leftover flour over, great, just add some and you should successfully get some dough. Now if your hands get a little messy, full of cream and a little bit of your stuff, that is totally fine. You can just play with it a bit. If it's a bit hard like mine, I think that's normal. I'm testing this out, so yeah. I just saw this on the video and I thought I could share it with you guys because you guys are like my friends, kinda. Okay, mix the flour on the table or in your bowl. And it shouldn't stick to anything. Like, it shouldn't stick. So if it does, you can clean it off with your hands actually. Never realized that. It's good to just like stir it with your hands and stuff because it gives your hands some like momentum power. It's like my shirt. Cool match, eh? Mix all the stuff together so it's not as a big mess as I made over here. And remember, if it gets too dry, add some cream to it. If it gets too wet, add some flour to it. You could also add some baking soda, not baking soda, no, I don't add baking, corn flour to it because it makes it like nice and soft, like the pink one. And that is it. Now you're going to want to have a Tupperware. Put this in there and let it sit for 15 minutes. Okay, close it. And I am going to pause this video for a little bit to clean up. Okay, now you must put it in a warm spot, closed container, don't let anything get into it for 15 minutes.
Make shapes, make cakes, and remember.
Okay guys, once it's done for 15 minutes, I'll show you what mine looks like after 15 minutes. So just enjoy your Play-Doh hand dough for 15 minutes after 15 minutes. So just chill and I will see you in the next video. Comment down below if you have your slime hand dough yet, and subscribe, give this thumbs up, and And I hope you got your Play-Doh, hand dough. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.